This cold-pressed liver tonic was meticulously crafted to assist in liver detoxification, promote healthy digestion, and maintain metabolic balance by incorporating potent, all-natural functional ingredients. The presence of cucumber and celery serves to provide hydration and essential mineral deposits, enabling the body to eliminate toxins naturally. Additionally, red beet and artichoke have been shown to positively support bile production and liver filtration, favorably enhancing the processing of fats and waste. Furthermore, green apple and lime embody antioxidants and vitamin C, contributing to cellular protection and boosting the immune system. The inclusion of kale, dandelion greens, and parsley is rich in chlorophyll and phytonutrients, which are known to support liver cleansing and minimize inflammation. Bursting with power from ginger and turmeric, these ingredients help regulate inflammatory pathways, while also offering support for healthy digestion and circulation. Lastly, aloe vera supports the mucus lining of the gut, playing a vital role in ensuring liver health. In addition to these beneficial ingredients, milk thistle has been traditionally utilized to protect liver cells and encourage regeneration. The synergistic action of black pepper further enhances nutrient absorption, helping the body harness these compounds more effectively. The ultimate intent of this blend is not to offer a rapid detoxification process. Instead, it aims to provide daily support for one of the most crucial organs in the body, ensuring its optimal functioning. A revitalizing functional juice crafted to nourish, safeguard, and empower your system through natural means. If you found this recipe both enlightening and inspiring, don't hesitate to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more wholesome, functional wellness blends. Let me know in the comments below what other recipe you'd like to see next on our channel.